How often do you think about your health habits? Ever heard about superfoods? Superfoods, a term you may have come across, refers to nutrient-rich foods that are beneficial for health and well-being. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, serving as powerful tools in boosting your immune system. Today, we're diving into the world of these potent foods, specifically honing in on 7 key superfoods that can help supercharge your immunity. Ready to discover these incredible superfoods? Stay tuned. First on our list, meet the small but mighty berries. These tiny powerhouses are chock full of antioxidants, those fantastic little compounds that help shield our bodies from harm. So berries are not just delicious, but they pack a punch for your immunity. Next up, the soothing and beneficial green tea. This aromatic beverage is a powerhouse of antioxidants, specifically catechins, that actively work to enhance your immune response. It's like sipping on a potion of resilience. Green tea, a warm hug for your immune system. Now let's talk about a leafy green powerhouse, spinach. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, this humble vegetable is a titan of health. It's brimming with vitamin C, vitamin K, and iron, all key players in strengthening your immune system. Spinach, your immune system's green best friend. Have you ever given a thought to the spicy and aromatic ginger as a superfood? Indeed, it is one. This humble kitchen staple is packed with potent compounds that supercharge your immune system. The spicy zing of ginger comes from gingerol, a substance that has the capability to lower the risk of infections. It is a powerful warrior against colds, flus, and other infections. So, next time you're at the stove, don't forget to toss in some ginger. Ginger, your flavorful champion in the battle against infections. Now, let's talk about the often overlooked superfood, garlic. A staple in many of our kitchens, garlic is known for its immune-boosting properties. It's packed with compounds like allicin, which are renowned for their medicinal properties. Garlic has the power to combat sickness, including the common cold. So next time you're cooking, don't skip on the garlic. Use it generously and let this powerful superfood work its magic. Garlic, your secret weapon against infections. Let's shine the spotlight on the golden spice turmeric. Turmeric is celebrated for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, standing as a true stalwart in bolstering our immune system. So don't forget to sprinkle some turmeric on your meals. Turmeric, the golden spice, is your key to a boosted immunity. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the crunchy and nutritious almonds. Almonds are a fantastic source of vitamin E, which is vital for maintaining a healthy immune system. They're also packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making them a perfect snack to satisfy your hunger and provide a much-needed energy boost. So, next time you're feeling peckish, why not reach for a handful of almonds? They're not only delicious, but they're also doing wonders for your immunity. Almonds, the crunchy boost your immune system will thank you for. We've embarked on an enlightening journey through the world of superfoods and their power-packed benefits for our immunity system. We've traversed the antioxidant-dense domain of berries, experienced the detoxifying marvels of green tea, and delved into the nutrient-rich galaxy of spinach. Then we've marveled at the golden spices, with its anti-inflammatory properties, garlic with the power to fight common cold, and relished the heart-healthy, crunchy, and nutritious almonds. Remember, your health is indeed your greatest wealth. Make these superfoods a fundamental part of your diet and provide your immune system with the bolstering it needs. Until our next nutritious adventure, stay healthy and joyful.